Hello everyone, my name is Alberti Roberto, an AB Political Science student from Arellano University, and welcome to my vlog. In this video, I will discuss the short story titled The Necklace by Guy de Maupassant. Well, I know all of us have dreams and ambitions in life. It can be big or small ambitions that we wanted to aim. In this short story, it talks about the life of a woman whose life is filled with dreams and ambition but finds herself trapped in the harsh reality of her social status. The story The Necklace revolves around Madame Mathilde Lucille, a woman who dreams of luxury, wealth, and glamorous lifestyle. But her life is far from that. She is married to a humble clerk and lives in a humble home, but she always feels like she deserves more. When they are invited to an extravagant ball, she is desperate to look Emildific. She borrows a diamond necklace from her wealthy friend, where out of luck, she lost it after the party. Instead of saying it to her friend, Madame Mathilde and her husband borrow tons of money to buy a replacement, plunging themselves in 10 long years of hard labor and financial struggle to pay off their debt. In the end, after years of suffering, Madame Mathilde and her friend meet again and learn that the necklace she lost was fake and worth only a fraction of what they had paid to replace it. The main theme of the story is about being content and being grateful for the lives we have. Our lives are already a present from God that we should thank for. I wish that Madame Mathilde would be like her husband, who is grateful for the lives they have and the contentment he already has, which is what I like. I also commend the love and his sacrifices for his wife. I hope the story ends in not an open-minded way, where it ends where Madame Mathilde's friend would be given the necklace back and just pay the actual price. In this way, it will end positively and still have many lessons to learn. Having dreams, goals, aspirations, and ambitions in life is part of our nature. It drives us to have a sense of purpose and motivation to improve ourselves. However, while it is important to pursue our ambitions, always remember that the real definition of success is not about material things, but rather having a value of contentment and gratitude for what we already have. That is all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have learned something from the story that we have discussed. Thank you everyone, and goodbye.